We're going to try this another day when it's not so windy. It's windy. I was blowing like Dorothy. So we're going to have to try to take 2 of this. Hey guys, how you doing? I feel like I haven't picked up the camera in about 2 days. And that's probably why, because I haven't picked up the camera in 2 days. So I'm actually really excited. I am driving. I left my little small community over in Gold Canyon area, Arizona. If you want to know, everything will be in my description box, and you can see the map of where spots are Antoinette approved. So go ahead and look at that if you really want to know where I was at. But I left my community and I am headed to Arrington, Arizona, which is kind of like on the border of Nevada or California. I really don't know where it is, but it is west of where I am. And I'm going safely to Skooliepalooza. Skooliepalooza? Is it called Skooliepalooza? Well, Skoolie something. So I'm kind of excited. A girl hit me up. Well, when I was in my little community, Brian, my new friend, the photographer or the videographer for Tiny Home Tours, told me that he was going and I should go. And then Hillary said she was going, I should go. And then actually I'm really not sure her name, but Taylor from the Adventure Allens messaged me on Instagram, asked me if I was going and that we should meet up there. So, well, she's saying bad, good thing come in threes. So I am going to Skooliepalooza. We are going to see what it is, our first big, I guess, van life community. I am going to be safe. For those who be like, it's COVID going on, yes, I'm going to have a mask. I'm going to be safe, okay? So don't worry about me. What about you? Alright, get my ice, getting my gas, get my little snack, cashews, you know what I mean? We're ready to hit the road. I believe it's a 2-hour drive from here. And it's 12:30. So should get there in good timing, good timing, good timing. Ooh. Oh, sorry. GoPro, didn't know you were still recording. This ice looks so mouth-watering. Oh, MG. This ice is the bomb. Oh, that's it. She's really cool. Sometimes she has a tendency to not. All right, she's full. Sometimes my vehicle has a tendency, whenever the car is completely off and I don't have the ignition in, it has a tendency to stop, even though it's not full. All right. Girl is back and done. Got her gum, got her ice. Ice, ice, baby. I really wanted to get my car washed before she sees other vans, but I just don't feel like it. It ain't happening. Sorry, Jewel. I keep calling Zion Jewel, and Jewel is my other vehicle at home. I have an SUV, and so I keep wanting to say Jewel. All right, 2 hours and 2 minutes. Good morning, guys. So, how y'all doing out there today? How y'all doing in the house tonight? I currently am at Skooliepalooza. It is a huge meetup, I should say. A huge meetup here in, is it Galveston or near, or Aaronsburg, Arizona. Right now, I'm just going to kind of get set up so I can sit down with you guys and have my laptop and do the screenshot of how I actually track my expenses as well with this van life thing. So give me a second. Let me get my little area together here. I kind of want to cook breakfast before I do so, but we'll just see. This coffee, ugh, But yeah, as you can see, I have everything everywhere. This doesn't go there. That needs to be put up. I need to let some light in. And yes, so give me a second, and we're gonna get down to the nitty gritty.
I might go too fast. I don't care about those limits, 'cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich, but I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip, no. I gotta see.
All right, guys. So I kind of did a thing, and I pooped. I pooped, and so because I'm at the Skooliepalooza thingy, I need to have somewhere to dig it, and I have this shovel that, no, it is mine. So we are going to find somewhere to dig it. Hi. I am. Nikki, you said down? Like all the way down?
You want help?
I just don't know where to go.
I'll come with you.
So, Mrs. She knows all the poop spots. So
That's how I want to be known.
So we are going to follow Nikki from
Adventuring Griggs.
Yeah, there you have it, y'all.
Okay, so watch out because you're probably gonna like roll an ankle.
Oh God.
So, right?
Okay.
So this all used to be part of the Colorado River,
All right.
which is just right over there.
Oh.
Yeah. And that's what separates the time zones, because over there is an hour earlier,
Okay.
and we're an hour in the future.
In the future. Y'all, we walking a mile just to bury some poop.
So,
Okay. Oh, we can do this.
actually, this looks like it might be soft.
Okay.
Yeah, I was gonna say, like, you can keep going down, but it's a fucking pain in the ass. So this might be soft enough.
Well, next time I'll bring
Give me
some
your
tennis
shovel. Let me
shoes.
see if it is.
Oh, okay. Yeah, get the shovel. Not the... All right, going down further.
Wait.
Oh.
Yeah, this is good.
Oh.
How do you tighten this?
Yeah, I don't think it really works.
Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Don't wanna go fast.
So, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
What up?
You about to enjoy the...
Oh, dude, this is my best idea of my entire life.
Oh my gosh, it looks cool. Hi, Oshi. Hi, baby. Oh my gosh, that looks so cool.
Amazing. This is so smart.
Oh my gosh, that looks so cool. I'm a little jealous. Okay, pretty successful morning. It is 12:20. Did some work, taking a break, pooped, buried the poop, and now I'm going to fix me something to eat, and then I think I have about 2 more hours left in me for work. Up in the world. It's hot. It's hot out here, y'all. In these Skooliepalooza streets. Okay, so now that the noodles are done, I'm just going to let it sit in the hot water. I think that was a little bit too much, but it's what it is. Oh wait, okay, I kill flies. I do. I kill flies. You killing them good too, so come on if you want to. And about half of this crab meat. You need some more heavy cream. goes the noodles. Oh, I forgot my Parmesan. That's what I was
Oh,
forgetting.
come here. Oh, come on. Go to bed.
Get my keto pasta Alfredo. Guys, I don't think you guys realize how happy I am right now. I just had someone put in a shelf for me here. Is this something? Someone was giving away wood, so I picked this thing up. Then the carpenter did not charge me, although I did send him a love offering because I appreciate his willingness to help me out. So I'm so happy now that I can stack my food. Oh crap. That is going to be a problem. Oh darn it, I didn't think about that. Shoot. Totally didn't think about this here. I don't know how that's gonna work. And those are stuck like glue. Alright, well, let me at least put my things in here. That fits there. I'm so happy about this. I'm just so excited. This is the best day ever. I have someone going to make a grocery run for me because I don't want to lose my spot. And this is just the best day. Oh, I actually need some more coffee. Darn it. I need more coffee. And I don't want to text her again because I've been bugging her and she's already getting like a ton of stuff for me already. I just love good people. Love nice people who's willing to help a sister out. You know what I mean? Okay, I really need to move this further down. And I just don't know if it's going to work. This tape is stuck like glue. This is some good tape. I could not get this down. So we're just going to have to make do. Guys, so whenever you get a chance to go to a community gathering safely, safely, if you're scared about, the whole COVID thing, understandable. But I do believe that this is a great thing. Being able to network and gather with people from all over, right? In their schoolies, in their vans, in their RVs, in their whatever crafted vehicle they made. Literally, people are crafting up their own stuff I had never heard of in my life. I seen a skunk the other day. Literally a skunk. Now this is the skunk I was telling you about. It's literally a skunk. Y'all thought I was exaggerating. No. And y'all think I'm exaggerating, but no. The man had a skunk up on a truck. It was a skunk. Yeah, people just, and it's just lovely seeing how everyone's personality is through their van. I'm not even gonna get started on what people saying about my van. Anywho, but it's just great. And then the camaraderie ship in regards to helping people out. I was at another location when I first pulled in here on my first night, and I wanted my back end to face this view, right? Didn't have any leveling blocks and none of that. My next door neighbor over there, well, if you have leveling blocks, no worries, we got you. We'll instruct you. We'll help you. They put my little leveling blocks up, directed me, and I'm set. I'm good to go. The guy that came to fix my cabinet or put a cabinet in there, a little shelf in there, I was referred to him by another lady that I met here, Sugar Mama, and he legit came and hooked me up free of charge. People are running to the grocery store for me because I don't want to move and lose my spot. I know that's selfish, but and it wasn't like, no, I need water or some onions. It was a full-on list. I'm like, okay, I can prepay you. Just let me prepay you. No, just let me just give you the receipt when I get back, and then you can pay me then. What? The other night they had a birthday for my little buddy Nikki now that I absolutely love. Nikki from Adventure Griggs. Somebody baked a cake in their little van for her. They had appetizers and all this jazz. Last night I was finished up doing work in my van. It was dark at this time. And I had came out to the bonfire and people were socializing around the bonfire. Like, where you been, girl? I was wondering when you was gonna come out. Do you want some wine? Like, I just love this. I love this. And I know a lot of y'all gonna be like, COVID. Yeah, COVID. But folks is tired of COVID. And I'm not saying I'm probably gonna get a lot of backlash for this. I really am. But I'm just appreciative. We being safe. But I just love this. I love this community. I love it. I wouldn't change it. That's what I'm gonna say about that. Anywho, I gotta get some more work done. I'm gonna try to do better with vlogging this whole experience while I'm here at Skooliepalooza, and once I get some work done, I'm just gonna try to be better for y'all. I've just really been in present here and not having my vlogging camera out. So I do apologize. I don't know how this particular video is going to turn out, but it is what it is. Okay, so now that I'm done working for a minute, I don't know if I'm going to pick anything back up later, but I guess I can show you around this Skooliepalooza. I am so happy about this. So this is what I did. I actually just pushed these up. They're not really directly on the groove, but just push it up and it works. I'm going to show you around the Skooliepalooza. Skoolie something, okay? I can never think of the name. But I'm just so happy about this. That is like the best thing ever. It's not cold outside. That's not the thing. The thing is it's very windy. And so I got short sleeves on, as you can see. I only put some on my lips. Hold on, y'all. Okay. Y'all probably like, girl, come on here and get out this van. Let's see who van we can see. I might go introduce y'all to Sugar Mama if I feel like walking all the way down there. We shall see. All right. Get what I need. I got what I need. But you say you're just a friend. Why is it so windy out here? Vans carrying on. Vans. And then Vans. It's windy out there. Y'all ain't gonna be able to hear nothing I got to say out there. We're gonna try this another day when it's not so windy. It's windy. I was blowing like Dorothy, so we're gonna have to try to take 2 of this. Guys, okay, so editing this video, just realized that it was much too long for me to put it all together, so I'm putting it 2 parts, but you don't have to wait long for it. The second part to this video will be out on Sunday. It's Friday, you'll get the next video on Sunday, so you only have to wait 2 days. Okay, I'm tired, it's late, but I'm trying to do my due diligence to you guys, okay, and get these videos out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, if it was entertaining for you, don't forget to like it, share with a buddy or two. And if you want to be friends with me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I'm y'all friends. Remember, I'm y'all friends. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all. As always, stay inspired, keep dreaming, be blessed, and don't forget to watch Sunday's video.